The waste ink tank needs to be emptied periodically. Always check the level of your waste ink tank before starting jobs or doing any cleans. You'll need tissue to hand as this can get quite messy. Remove both tubes from the waste ink tank. Wrap these in the tissue to ensure that no ink leaks anywhere, and the waste ink bin will pull straight up. You can now dispose of this responsibly. With the waste tank emptied and cleaned, you can pop it back into the cradle and replace both pipes into the holes.